Good morning. Educational philosophies. Educational philosophies provide framework for understanding the goals, method, and purpose of education. Education philosophy influence how teaching and learning occur in various contexts. First of all, idealism. Idealism, intellectual and moral development. It emphasizes truth, beauty, and goodness through ideas rather than material objects. It promotes the study of the classic literature, philosophy, and art. It was uh, the proponent of idealism is the Plato, Immanuel Kant. It is research-centered, Socratic questioning, fostering critical thinking. Realism. Realism focus the understanding the physical world through the observation and the experiments. Realism exists independently of human perception and knowledge is derived from sensory experience. The proponent of realism was the Aristotle, John Jockey. The classroom practice the focus on the actual knowledge, scientific methods, and practical applications. Pragmatism. It is the focus on learning by doing and adapting to changing the environment. Pragmatism focus the education should prepare students for problem solving and active participation in society. It emphasizes experiential learning. It is learning by experience. The proponent of pragmatism, John Dewey, William James, the classroom practice is student-centered. Just opposite, the idealism. Idealism is the teacher-centered. Pragmatism is student-centered, project-based learning, collaborative activities. Existentialism, it focuses on individual freedom, choice, and self-determination. uh, Existentialism, uh, in existentialism, education should help the student find meaning and purpose in their lives, encourage the personal responsibility. The proponent of existentialism is the Jean-Paul Sartre, Soren Kierkegaard. In classroom practice, the flexible curriculum, personal reflection, fostering creativity. Perennialism, it focuses on the universal truth and timeless knowledge. Uh, Education should emphasize enduring ideas in great works of literature, art, and philosophy. And the proponent of perennialism is the Thomas Aquinas, Mortimer Adler. In class and practice, rigorous study of classics, focus on critical thinking. Essentialism, focus on the basic skills and core knowledge. Education should equip the students with fundamental knowledge and skills for life. The proponent of essentialism is the William Bagley. Teacher center, similar to idealism, the classroom practice teacher center, structured curriculum, focus on discipline and accountability. Progressivism, students' interest in real-world problem solving. Education should promote the active learning and the social reform, aligning with the student needs and experience. John Dewey. Similar to pragmatism. Interactive learning emphasizes on the critical thinking and societal improvement. Social reconstructionism, Addressing the societal issues through the education. Education should foster social justice and create a more equitable society. The proponent of social reconstructivism is George Counts Paulo Freire. Dialogues on social issues promoting activism and change. Learning by doing, pragmatism. Pragmatism emphasizes practical experience and active engagement in the learning. Educational in through environment, naturalism. Naturalism focus on the learning through the interaction with the natural environment. Realizing truth, beauty, and goodness, the idealism emphasize the spiritual and intellectual ideas like the truth, beauty, and goodness. World as it is here and now. Realism focus on the physical world and factual understanding of reality. In table, pragmatism, learning by doing. It is think John Dewey, focus practical experience, problem solving, application project-based learning. Naturalism, education through environment, Jean Jacques Rousseau, interaction with nature, outdoor education, idealism, truth, beauty, and goodness, Plato, intellectual and moral ideas, humanities, moral education, realism, the world as it's here and now, Aristotle, factual understanding of reality, science, and practical skills. Okay, it is all about educational philosophy. Thanks for watching. Thank you for your patience. That is now. Bye bye.